The rate at which the cases of food poisoning is occurring is very, very alarming. And it's not always the case that someone will place a poisonous substance into your food. Sometimes it's as a result of how we handle our food. The World Health Organization has acknowledged this threat and has released some food safety tips, things that you and I will do in order to prevent ourselves from this food poisoning, because people are getting food poisoning and it's very, very serious. If you are new to this channel, my name is Oskodo Emmanuel, a licensed physician assistant by profession. So let me share with you the updates from the World Health Organization concerning our food safety. World Food Safety Day. Did you know that nearly 1 in 9 people worldwide fall ill every year after eating contaminated food? That's 866 million people. And sadly, 1.5 million lives are lost annually. So this means that 1.5 million people die as a result of food poisoning every single year. Many foodborne illnesses can be prevented with simple everyday habits. Here are WHO's food safety tips. Wash your hands before preparing food. Cook meat, poultry, and seafood thoroughly. Wash fruits and vegetables before eating. Keep hot foods hot and cold foods cold. Avoid cross-contamination between raw and cooked food. Children under 5 carry almost 1/3 of the global health burden from unsafe food, making food safety especially important for families. Food safety isn't just about avoiding stomach bugs. Unsafe food can lead to more than 200 diseases, strain health system, and cost the global economy $310 billion every year. So you see, just food safety can help us prevent 200 diseases. This World Food Safety Day, let's remember, safe food is equal to better health, stronger community, and a healthier future for all. So this is a very global threat. So we need to make sure that the food we eat, the various food safety tips, we need to ensure them in order to protect and prevent ourselves from this food poisoning. And also, let us share this video to our friends and families so that they too will protect and prevent themselves from food poisoning, because this food safety tips is the most common cause of food poisoning. I'm giving my viewers the opportunity to recommend some topics that they would want me to make a video on. So if you actually want me to make a video on a specific topic, drop your comment in the comment section and I will make sure that I make a video on such a topic for you. If you find this video helpful, feel free, subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video, and then share this video to many people.